Hey, what's up, everybody? Welcome to episode number 53 here on season 2. And today we are getting into Theo chocolate clusters, lemon and hemp flavor. Yes, what's up? Yes.
Daddy, I think that is very good. I don't know. So, but that is something.
You're right. It is something. So, have you ever had these before?
No.
Are you sure?
Yeah.
What do you think? What do you think about Football Man in the back? What do you think about him? Do you think he's pretty cool?
Yeah.
You like him?
Yeah.
I kind of like him too. His name is Nick. He hangs out on the wall. You want to say hi to Nick?
Hi, Nick.
That's funny. Anyways, do you think that we should try these first or eat them?
Eat them.
I mean, tell them about them or eat them.
Eat them.
That's what. Why do you? I think you always tell me that, huh? Let's just go ahead and rip it right there. This is. Oh man, we and you are trying. We try all this bad stuff, man. All this candy and stuff. Here's one for you, and then this one's for me, and there's a few more left in here. We'll put those over, just in case you want to have another one.
Okay.
All right, ready? 3,
2,
1,
go.
go.
They're crunchy.
They are pretty crunchy. They're like a chocolate I think it's called a crisp bar, a crispy bar, a crunch bar. There you go. It's kind of like that. It's got like those rice crispy things in there. I don't really get a hemp flavor. I do get a little bit of like a zesty lemon, but definitely a teddy bear. How'd you get in here, teddy bear? We'll put him right here, okay? Say hi, teddy bear. All right, we gotta leave him over here because he's not allowed to be on the episode. Come on, silly teddy bear. This is me and Jacob. It's not like a sweet, not like a normal milk chocolate kind of bar, but it is really, really good. Wouldn't you say, Jacob?
Excuse me, Daddy.
Yes.
The terrier is round to here.
How do you like it? Do you think it's good? Okay.
Hey, that is a light bulb.
A light bulb, yep. This is pretty much a like chocolate coconut with a little bit of like Rice Krispie kind of mixed in, some oil, and then I guess there's some hemp nuts in there. I don't even know what hemp nuts taste like or what it actually like. I know what hemp is, but I don't know what it tastes like. That's pretty much what it is. It comes with 50, I think, micrograms of this stuff called flavanols. I don't know what that is, but apparently those are like super healthy. Dude, this is like healthy for us. We can eat as much of this as we want. Maybe not. Do you think it'll give us a tummy ache? You want another one, huh? Mouth. The mouth is full. The mouth is full. My bad. I should learn a few things. They're non-GMO, fair trade, which means that basically they pay a decent wage and price for their chocolate if they buy it overseas, and then they're USDA organic approved as well. So. Wow, that scared me. Do you want another chocolate?
No, thank you.
Okay. But we really want to know, is it a buy or do you think it's a trash? Yeah, I'm going to tell you right now, don't tell me, okay? Go ahead and just tell them. Is it a buy or a trash?
A buy.
A buy. Listen, and I say that, yes, what you say.
Excuse me, Daddy.
What?
Excuse me, Daddy.
Mm-hmm. All right, let's go ahead and apparently it's a buy. Let's go ahead and dive into the question of the day, which is, what old person thing do you do? Walk with the king?
Yeah.
Walk with the candy cane? Is that what you said?
Yeah.
That's pretty old person. He has like a Starbucks Christmas cane that we got him, or that my parents got him for Christmas, and he walks around like an old man with it. That's very good. That's a very good answer to that question. I'm actually surprised. Good job. High five. Boom! Anyways, we'll leave it. Knuckles. We'll leave it right there. If you have any questions regarding Stash, Acorns, Robinhood, as well as general investing advice, business Etsy coaching, post those questions down below. Don't forget to subscribe up here and check out what did we do last time? What food did we do last time? We try women's protein. Check out the video right here.
Hey,
and as always,
Daddy.
thank you for watching. I really appreciate it.
Hey, there's Blake. He's on protein.
Yes.